Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming for my summer Fab Fit Fun box. So let's just go ahead and get started. Now, before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up because it does help me get into the YouTube world, and click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified. So let's just go ahead and get right into the box. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Guys, I swear it looks like someone already opened this box. That's weird. Ooh. Alright, here we go. We're going to be opening. Yeah, look at this. That's odd. That's super odd. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get all this stuff out of here. I'm gonna sit this on my lap here, and as usual, it does come with the Fab Fit Fun magazine, and in this magazine there's great articles, and it also contains all the information that you need to know about the product in your box. So first thing that I see here is this beach mist botanical after sun spray, fresh. This is it here. This actually retails for, whoa, let me put that over here. So this actually retails for, let's see, $42. Let's go ahead and open up the box. This is so odd, guys. This is it here. It has like a clean smell. Okay, next we do have this Tarocco. Yeah, it's the Tarocco foot cream, and it's Sicilian blood oranges. So this is the next product here, and this one retails for $24. This is by Cali Cosmetics. It's a foot cream with menthol and Tarocco. The combination of menthol and olive oil helps heal and hydrate your feet. I'm sorry, guys. And on this beach mist here, it's a reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this smoothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. Again, this retails for $42, and this one retails for $24. So far so good. Next, I do have this, what is this? The Hydro Peptide. Ooh. Let me take this out of the box. Guys, I swear I feel like somebody was in my box. This is so weird because it looks like someone already tried to open it like this. I don't know. The packaging that it comes wrapped in was torn. So anyhow, this is what the product looks like. And this one here retails for $120, and it's a moisture reset face oil made with pure plant oils and rice bran extract. This blend moisturizes the skin's lipid barriers. Ooh, I'm going to be using this for sure. Okay, next I have this Riddle. What is this? It's roll-on fragrance oil. So what is this retail? This retails for $50. Wow. Let's see. This is the packaging, guys, but this is what it actually comes in right here. I don't know if you could see that, guys, but let's just roll some of this on. Oh, that smells, oh my gosh, that smells so good. I can definitely use a scent that's really light like that because I'm real sensitive to scent. Like, the older I get, the weirder scents get to me. Like, it's just weird. So that one retails for $50. It's an oil original roll-on. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you. Ooh, I like that. Okay, next ooh, my earring. Next, I do have this big old product here. I'm gonna open this up. Just want to make sure that my camera is rolling. I almost didn't film this today, guys. I was so freaking tired. Okay. So this is the Terra Mare Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Ooh. And this one here retails for, where's this at? Is it even in there? Let me put that down. Oh, here it is. This one retails for $54. Wow. It's Terra Mare, if I'm pronouncing that right. Aloe and Tree Tea Toner. Reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo. Smooth skin and slows away dead skin cells. Shipping restrictions may apply. Okay, I don't know why I read that, but yeah, this is it here. Let's open it. Ooh, guys, this is so pretty. It smells okay, but this is the packaging. Let me put that back in here because this is pretty heavy and I don't want it rolling off the desk here. So far, so good. Next, we do have this sponge. This is a makeup sponge. It's called Makeup Drop. And this one retails for, where is it at? Here it is, for $20. It's a hybrid makeup applicator. This applicator features a silicone side, ooh, and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Let's get it out of here. Show you guys what this looks like. Okay, here we go. So there's the latex side, if you can see that on camera, and then this is the other side, just the regular sponge side. I'm excited to use this here, so I'm gonna put this away and move on to the next product. Now the next product that I have is this real cute dainty necklace, and this one here retails for, I'm gonna take it out of the packaging, hold on a second. This retails for $45. It's the Giving Keys mini key necklace. Inspire yourself to believe with this delicate necklace. So I think my daughter Sarah is gonna like this because she loves silver, and I actually like gold and rose gold. But it's so cute and dainty. Look at that, Sarah. Let me just take it out of this. Well, you know what? Let me see if I can just. This is so cute. Look at that, guys. Can y'all guys see that? It's such a pretty necklace. Look at this cute silver necklace. Oh, I thought you were Sarah. I'm definitely gonna give this to my baby girl because she loves silver. So I'm gonna lay this out right here, and I'm gonna move on to the last product, which is, I think this is the last product. Oh, there's also a $50 Discover Wine You Love credit in here. So, and then lastly, it's this real cute, it's a Draper James. It's a, let's see, hold on, let me find it first. It's the Draper James straw bag with floral scarf. It says outfitted with a floral scarf. This flirty bag matches all your warm weather outfits, and it retails for $75. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and this is actually really cute, guys. Look at that. It has that really pretty scarf right here. It's cute. It's just a really cute bag. Like, I would actually carry this to the beach or something and just throw in my sunblock and tanning lotion and all my little essentials in this bag. It's cute though. I like it. So that does conclude what I got in my summer Fab Fit Fun box for 2020. I'm gonna lay this right here. I absolutely love being subscribed to Fab Fit Fun. It is a quarterly subscription of about $50, and it is genuinely worth every dollar, guys. For me, I like the surprise of just not knowing, you know, what's in the box, if that makes sense. So I'd rather be surprised than know ahead of time, because the thing is, guys, I don't want to disappoint myself if I don't get what I see in, like, I guess what you call the preview. So I'd rather just be surprised and not have an expectation of hoping and wishing that I get certain products. So with that said, ladies, if you are interested in subscribing to Fab Fit Fun, I will link that information down below. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.